When you wake up in a world where your coffee is brewed by a machine, your floors are cleaned by a disc-shaped vacuum, and your car parks itself. Guess what? You're already living in it. Robots are no longer the future, they're the present. Whether it's a surgical robot saving lives or a delivery drone dropping off your next online order, robots are reshaping industries, lifestyles, and even our imagination. But what actually makes a robot, and why should you care? Stick around, because once you understand how they work, you'll realize they're not just tools, they're transforming the world we live in. At its core, a robot is a machine capable of sensing, thinking, and acting, without constant human control. It uses sensors to gather information, processors to make decisions, and actuators or motors to take action. This trio, sense, think, and act, is what separates robots from regular machines. It's like giving a machine a tiny brain and eyes. So, how do robots actually work? Imagine a simple cleaning robot. First, it senses its surroundings using tools like cameras, infrared, or ultrasonic sensors. Then, it processes this information using a microcontroller. Think of it as the robot's mini brain. A microcontroller is a small computer on a single chip that controls everything inside the robot. It takes data from the sensors, makes decisions, and sends commands to the motors or arms to take action. In 2025, microcontrollers like the Arduino, Raspberry Pi Pico, or even more advanced chips with AI capabilities are used to help robots react faster and smarter than ever before. After processing, the robot acts by moving, stopping, grabbing, or adjusting using mechanical parts. This whole cycle, sense, process, act, runs over and over again, allowing the robot to adapt and function in real time. Robots are literally everywhere. In factories, they assemble cars with flawless precision. In medicine, they perform surgeries with micro-level accuracy. In agriculture, they monitor crops and harvest them. Even in your home, smart assistants, cleaning robots, and lawnmowers are quietly working for you. From space exploration to disaster rescue, their reach is only growing. Get ready for a future where robots don't just assist, they collaborate. With the rise of cobots, collaborative robots, humans and machines will work side by side more than ever. Some of the latest robotic inventions are truly jaw-dropping. For example, Tesla's Optimus robot is being designed to do basic tasks like carrying items or assisting at home. Agility Robotics Digit is a two-legged robot that can walk, lift packages, and work in warehouses. Even animal-inspired robots are already in action. Expect smarter AI, emotional intelligence, robotic pets, and even robotic teachers. The future is about enhancing our abilities and solving problems we can't tackle alone. Robots aren't here to take over, they're here to team up. So the next time you hear the word robot, don't just think of metal arms or sci-fi movies. Think innovation, progress, and possibility. And remember, the future is robotic, so why not learn about it today? For more adventurous scientific journey, just like, share your ideas and subscribe so you never miss any moments.